Draw a vertical center line for the active case, based on the types of installation found in the written instructions. Measure 37 5/8 inches above the finished floor and draw a horizontal line. Align the template for the active case with the center lines and tape. Using the crossbar hole centers for measuring, draw a vertical center line for the inactive case. Measure 38 5/8 inches above the finished floor and draw a horizontal line. Align this template with the center lines and tape. Position the top strike template into place. Pin punch mounting holes for the active and inactive cases and the top strike. Then drill and tap the holes in the door per the template. Remove the cover from the active case chassis and mount the chassis to the door with number 10 mounting screws. Remove the cover from the inactive case chassis and mount the chassis to the door with number 10 mounting screws. To attach the outside trim, slide the through-bolt screws through the inside chassis. Align the outside trim with the exposed screws and secure. Remove the top latch chassis cover and screw top rod in chassis halfway. Confirm the crossbar arm is not in a dogged position. Remove the top rod pin from the active chassis and slide the top rod into the active chassis. Attach the top latch chassis to the door. Ensure the top latch bolt is fully extended. Rotate rod until upper hole is aligned with the hole in the active chassis, and insert the rod adjustment pin. Remove the bottom latch chassis cover and position the bottom chassis on the door, centered on the vertical center line. Raise or lower the chassis to achieve the appropriate gap, based on the strike application used. Mark and center punch the mounting holes for the bottom latch. Drill and tap the mounting holes. Screw the bottom rod into bottom latch chassis until finger tight. Confirm the crossbar arm is not in a dogged position. Remove the bottom rod pin from the active chassis and slide the bottom rod into the active chassis. Attach the bottom latch chassis to the door. Ensure the bottom latch bolt is fully extended. Rotate the rod until the middle hole aligns with the hole in the active chassis and insert the rod adjustment pin. Depress the crossbar to verify the top latch goes into holdback. If the latch does not go into holdback, pull out the adjustment pin. Rotate the top rod counterclockwise one complete turn. Reinsert the pin and test again. Continue this step until holdback is achieved. Align the top strike with the holes on the doorstop of frame and secure. Close the door and verify the engagement of the top strike and latch. Attach the covers to all 4 chassis and secure. Insert the top and bottom rod guides at the center of each rod and secure. Slide the crossbar into the active chassis arm. Then, slide the crossbar into the inactive chassis arm. Insert plugs on bar ends and secure with locking screws. Depress the crossbar to confirm the top and bottom latch bolts retract and the top latch goes into latch holdback.